Guys, good day again. It's your boy, it's your homie, Babes Vlogs TV. Today, let's talk about the confirmation charges, guys. Guys, the confirmation charges is not a trial. It's a pre-trial hearing whereby the judges needs to determine again by hearing the side of the prosecution, the evidence, and then the defense, how they consider or interpret the evidence, and then the side of the victims on their personal opinions and observations on the process. And in order for the judges to make a decision, that would usually take place usually within 60 days period. And they will determine if the evidence is sufficient enough for the case to go to trial. Okay. Now, if it's not sufficient, then automatically there'll be an acquittal. Okay. And if it is sufficient, okay, they'll proceed to trial, and the schedule for trial will be set. Okay. But guys, whatever the decision on this confirmation of charges, it can still be appealed. Can still be appealed on the appeals chamber. Okay. Now, granting that there is a trial, then proceed to the trial. Another topic on our next video. We're out of time.